You also advise that people should consider the operational model of the retirement accommodation
Yes.
that they decide on. What do you mean with that?
Yeah, the operational model obviously influences the operational costs of a retirement estate. And in the end, it also influences the levies that residents pay in the retirement estate, which in the end is quite a big factor for many of the people who want to retire. The cost of living over the next 10, 20, 30 years while they are going to live there. In many of the retirement estates, all the costs of the facilities and the service providers on site are added to the levies. Irrespective of whether a specific resident make use of the service or not, they pay for that service in the levy. We believe that it should not work that way. You should only pay for what you use. So the service providers in other retirement estates, like the ones that we built, stand in for their own profits and losses, and residents only pay for the services that they make use of, which keeps the levies at a lower rate.